Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IBM Cloud Virtual Servers console, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the IBM Cloud Virtual Servers console, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the IBM Cloud website at cloud.ibm.com. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your IBM Cloud account email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete that process. Once your credentials are verified, you will be taken to the IBM Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the menu icon, usually found on the left side of the page. Click on the menu icon to reveal various services. Scroll down and find the Virtual Servers option. Click on Virtual Servers to access the Virtual Servers console. You will now be able to view and manage your virtual server instances. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your email and password. For forgotten passwords, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the console layout. This will help you navigate more easily as you manage your IBM Cloud Virtual Servers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.